Oh, all right, y'all. So, in the effort to upgrade some of my toolage, got some DEWALT. I'm going to show y'all here. One of these sets, some of the books on them. We're going to throw all the books away. We don't need that. I think these are bits. I think these are saw blades. Oh yeah, grinder blade. It's cool. Although I got a ton of them. We're gonna leave it in there though. This is new. It came with 2 batteries, a large one, a 4, and a 2. I got the batteries charging. Up here, I got the batteries charging. So this is a 6-tool kit. As you can see, it's still in the plastic for most of it. I just put it all in the bag. So I just put most of it in the bag. For that multi-tool. I have a whole kit for a multi-tool also. I'm going to check and make sure it'll work with this one. Allen wrench. This here was the main tool that I needed. I like that it got the 3 lights. Hopefully it's battery charged. Yeah, see, this is that I was saying, at 4 amp. Oh yeah. You can feel that power. Got the drill. This is the Reciprocating Saw. Got good weight to it. Really good weight. I just bought some brand new blades too, because I was gonna do something, but I was gonna use my carded one, but now I can use this one. Got a couple of projects I need to take care of. Okay, this is the circular saw. It's at about a 5-inch. Got good heft to it. It feels really good and hefty. Okay, what else we got in here? This is that multi-tool. I'm liking that quick release on it though. Speed control on it. Each one of these tools feel very good and sturdy. And this should be the last one here. This is a 6-tool set. So I got my grinder. Yeah. Yeah, this is a really nice set. I'm liking this. The feel of everything is just so, it gives you that confidence when you're working with it. Yeah, everything feels so hefty, man. So it gives you a real good feeling that, you know, when you're using the tools. Also, got something free, which I need to open up now, because I didn't open this up yet. I know what it is though. I knew that was coming too. That's drill bits. Nice. Yeah, really nice. I like that. Where's my scissors? I don't know my scissors. I gotta cut this open. But yeah, this is the DEWALT 6-piece cordless tool set. And I'll give you some updates and everything. Sure, I'm in the box. I'll show you batteries. Yeah, I'll give you some updates on it. Because the weekend I'm be doing some work with it to see how they work, but they feel really good in the hand. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe.